Hey guys, so today I'll be going over Tier 2 funding requests for catering. It's important to understand that catering is only funded for events that your organization is hosting on campus. We can provide catering from UConn Catering, which is preferred, or a caterer of your choice. Much like other categories, we can purchase catering using a Pro Card or University credit card. But this should not be utilized for high dollar amounts, especially anything nearing $5,000. If your catering vendor is charging a high dollar amount, then we will have to go through the process of completing a Husky Pie profile. You can learn more about why by visiting our frequently asked questions page on our website. I will go over the quotes that are acceptable for both outside vendors and UConn Catering, but first I would like to discuss the common mistakes made when submitting catering quotes. The mistakes include paying for your food in advance and attempting to have USG reimburse you for the money that was spent. You're only expected to have placed the order and notify your vendor that USG will be paying over the phone, of course, only when a Pro Card will be used for payment. Having an event for catering that is not hosted by your RSO, is off campus, and is not related to the mission of your organization. Not providing an itemized quote. Using vendors who are unwilling to complete a Husky Pie profile by deadlines given to them by the funding staff. And lastly, including meals for individuals who are not undergraduate students. First, I would like to go over quotes from outside vendors. This is a good example since it has a number of dishes and total price. We cannot accept quotes with just a total attached. This quote is also good because it includes the name of the vendor, the location, and a phone number to reach them at. The other important thing to notice is that there is no tax included in this receipt. That is because since UConn is a tax-exempt vendor, we cannot have tax added to our orders and need quotes from the vendor which reflect that. If your vendor needs to see our tax-exempt certification prior to your vendor taking off the tax, please email bookkeeping@usg.uconn.edu and we will send it over. Next, we have a quote from UConn Catering. This should include the correct date of your event and an itemized list of what your organization will be receiving. There is not additional steps to set up your vendors for this type of catering since it is through internal systems. This is why it is usually preferred. If you do not want to use UConn Catering, you must first get a right of refusal in which you ask UConn if they are capable of making your dish. If the answer is no, then please upload this email confirmation to your request.